I have started recording this. Okay. So the prerequisites for the installing Kubernetes cluster, we are doing a cluster installation. For that you need to add at least 2 GB of RAM and 2 CPU for the control plane. Okay. So then you will have worker nodes here. See, this is the control plane where you will have it as a master. Let's say, so you are running a vehicle, like you have 5 horses and you are on that particular vehicle. Okay, 5 horses will be running for you, and you will be the master who is controlling the all 5 horses. So like you will have worker nodes, like these are the horses, and you will be controlling all these horses here. Okay. So now we are doing the installation of control plane here. Okay, master. For this you require a sudo access. Okay. So and connectivity, network connectivity. Okay. Now yesterday we have done it. This installation. Okay. So we will go by one step here. So you have prepared it for these commands. So I will share this guide as well. Okay. So you have done it for disabling the swap here. First one 1.1 on every node, then permanently disabling that, and then loading the kernel modules, then parameter, and then installing the container here. Okay. So let me try to install it on one container. Let's see if I am able to do that. So this is my Red Hat Linux. Okay. So I will try to install it. The container here, container runtime. Okay. The second step I am doing it. So if you want, I will do the first steps also. So we will go with the first step. Sudo swap off. Okay. So I will give the command. Okay, it got turned off. Now I am permanently turning off. 1 minute. I am permanently disabling this in the entry. Okay. So now permanently swap is disabled now. Okay. So now I am creating one file. Okay. This is I am creating one file. Copy. Okay. Enter. It got created. Then I want to load it. Okay. I have loaded that net filtering and probe. Okay. Now I want to do the filtering here. I will show you where these are getting affected here. Okay. So I am creating one more file here. Okay. So I have just created this control here. Okay. Then now I want to see it, whether these are applied. Okay. So you see this is applied here, IP forwarding. Okay. So now I am updating and running these all certificates. Okay. Up to get, okay. So this is on Rocky Linux. Okay. Rocky So for Rocky Linux, you will not have apt get here. You will have DNF. Okay. Okay. Then I am creating a directory where I can download this. Okay. So anyone have two systems or two machines there with you?
No, sir.
No, I
No,
mean
sir.
two VMs. Okay, uh, on your laptop.
No, sir. I have created only one. No, sir. I have created only one.
So these are for the Ubuntu. Okay. So let me do it for. Let me add it here. Repo. So done with the repo. Okay. Then I am going to install the container now here. Container D. Okay. So now it is pulling all the information. I am at step number 2 here. Okay, this you need to be doing at all the nodes here, no matter whether it is master or worker. Okay, so I am installing container D now. Okay, this is done. So now I am going to create the directory here, configure container D for system C groups here. So let me create this mkdir. Okay. So this one I am doing this these commands now, configuring it. So we have installed the container D now. So created this. Okay. Then now configuring this. configured it. Now I will be restarting and enabling the service now. Okay. Enable the service. Now you can either do it this way, or you can restart this in this way, which we are doing it sudo system control restart container D. Okay. Now I will be doing restarting this. It got restarted, so it's already enabled here. Okay. System control enable. Okay. Now once we have done, so we are installing here Cube admin components, and you are getting it. Okay. So rings for all nodes you are installing kubelet, kube admin and kube control. Okay. So we will see why each command is required here. Let me install so let me check whether the container D is running or not. Okay. Yeah, this is running now. You can see this is active and running. Okay. Okay. So now I am installing here sudo opt. Okay. Install packages. Same command I am using. Okay. Copy. Paste. Okay. Sudo DNF install kubelet, kube admin, and then kube control. No match. Unable to find a match. Okay. Now you are installing kube admin, kube control, and kubelet. So you have CNI tools. This is for networking. We will see what exactly these tools are going to do. Okay. installing now. Kubelet. Once it is complete, we will check, we will run the kubelet service here. We will see, okay. Enable now the service. So you see this command here, kubelet, enable kubelet. Okay. So same here, either you can use now or you can do it. If you want to verify, you can verify it. Okay. Kube admin. ADM, want to see the version here. So this is the version that we have installed. So I want to see the controller version. Okay. Client. Okay. See, this got installed it here now. So now you have installed here. So this I have already done it on my other server. So you need to join this as a worker node. For that, you should be getting this command from the what is this master node. Okay, I will open the master node. So I want to put it, get that command here. What I am going to do, I will just initiate kube admin initiate. So you will get the command here, kube admin initiate. So I am initiating the cluster here. User is not running as root, okay, no problem. Is already in use. Okay. Cube. Admin initiate. So once you type this, you will get a command like this: sudo kube join. Kube admin join, then control plane IP address, then the token, all that information you will get. Then you can, if you forgot the token, generate a new one on the control plane. Okay, let me generate one new token. Okay. Sudo admin token create print join command. Okay, see, I got this command now. So what I am going to do, I will take this command, okay, print, okay. So now I am putting this here so that it will get added here. Okay. So here on the master server, I will be checking whether nodes are present or how many nodes are there. I want to see it, then I am going to do that. Okay. So let me run that command here. Okay. The master one. So I will tell. Okay. Cube control CTL get nodes. Okay. So you see master one, it is ready and it is having a control plane, and that is age 4 days 22 hours, and this is the version. Okay. So I have one more here, master 2 not ready, it is none. Okay. 4 days 21 hours. Okay. So here in the worker nodes you will be joining it. Okay. So once you type this command, then you will be able to join it. Let me see it. So I want to see it. Okay. 0 I q print command. Okay. I don't know why this is not taking. Want to see if get here. This is running, container is running. Okay. Get nodes, I want to see that. Whether this is running. Okay, kubelet. Start enable. It's failed here. Okay. This got failed. Okay. Enable. Okay. Reset. You must remove. Okay. Sudo process does not clean your kube config files and you must remove them manually. See, one time the configuration is hectic for first time. Once you are able to do it, then you will be able to configure all that. still occupying it. Listen 0 K3S. So I have removed all this K3S. So we'll do some theory part. Let me, I have just uninstalled it here. Okay. So this is not getting added. So I will try to explain what exactly I am trying to do it here. In the graphical presentation, I will explain you. So this is the architecture Kubernetes. Yesterday we have installed the master node here, okay, where it is straightforward. We just installed it. So now what we have done, so we have completed all these steps here. Okay. One, common environment variables step, all we have done. Then we installed the container D here, a container engine. Then we have installed kubelet, kubeadmin and kube control. All these we have installed. Okay. So control plane we will not install in every node. Okay. Only one you will take it, or if you want to take a secondary, then only you will do it. So this you are not going to initiate on every server. Okay. So you will leave it. Once you create a master, you will leave it. So now you are going to install it on the worker node. Okay. Here you are trying to install it on the worker node. You will do 1, 2, 3 and then you will skip 4 and 5 because these are only for master here. So then you will come and join into the cluster here. Okay. So you will install a worker node, you will take one VM or container or physical box. Then what you will do, you will install all these requirements. So then you will try to join that into a cluster here. Okay. So you also take part in our cluster, I will be working for you. That is what we are trying to do it here. Okay. So now it is not accepting it here. Okay. So that is the problem that we are facing here. Okay. So let me check it on the master server. So whether CNI is installed here. So now what I am doing, I am trying to do it here whether this is installed or not. The fifth step, I believe this is missing here. Okay, let me install it. got hung now. So first part, to understand, it will make you little bit, it will look like tough. Okay. So once you understand the architecture, what the master is, what the worker node, all that logic, once you get it, then it will be easy for you to navigate it here. Want to get it? Let me see if all the nodes are ready. So we'll do one last one, one more here. I will work on it. Why it is showing an error? So we'll complete it today. Okay. And what are all those components that we will be trying to look here? Okay. So this is on the master node. Okay. Yesterday we done it. API server, then scheduler, control manager, and then this is on the configuration part. Okay, then this will be your DNS server, where it will be resolving all, it will be getting this services here. Okay, these are all required for master node. Okay, so once you have a master node, then only you will be able to connect through a worker node here. So for worker node, you will be installing kubelet, and then kube proxy, and then CNI plugin and container runtime. Okay. So all this you will be installing it. So once you are done with the installation here, then you will try to add this to the cluster here. Okay, once you add into the cluster, then it will manage it here. So that is how your connectivity goes. Okay, so I have installed it here, kubelet. Okay, then container runtime. Okay. So when I am trying to join it into this domain here, this is not accepting. That is what the problem is. Okay. So tomorrow we'll see it. What is the issue? So I will work on that. Then we will see on how to troubleshoot that. Okay. So I have created all these supporting content. I have not added this into our main document. So you have this into your supporting content. Okay. So that's it for today. I will stop the recording.